Right, today I'm at a show in Warwickshire with Build with A and E. A lot of YouTubers and creators here to assist in the youngsters coming along to trying to find out if they want to do like plastering and carpentry and bricklaying and electrical work and all kinds of different stuff. We got the D&G project boys here. We got Dave up there and we got Stevie over there. Steve! There's Stevie over there, look. We got Tony. Give us got Tony there, A&E. Dave's up there, just giving a demonstration on the grab wagon. It's fantastic, isn't it, that all these people are managing to come down, give up their free time and just show people, or try to teach people and give them an insight to what the work and what the job is all about. So I just had a go of it and made the football into more like a rugby ball. I did it, but I tell you what, I drive a digger and it was quite difficult. So he's going to get picked that up, stick it in the back of the wagon. You get the gist of it. And we'll show you some more inside. Right. So this is the setup. This is the show. We've got joinery over there. So anybody wanting to learn or ask anything about joinery, that's over there. Our section is here, the bricklaying section. We've got some famous faces here. Just give us a way hey. So there we are. Morgan, just say hello to everybody, mate, on YouTube. Huh?
Are you videoing?
We're videoing right now.
Alright.
So yeah, there's Morgan there. Alex, say a big hello. We've got Alex there, Steve and Alex. Where's your dad, mate? He's disappeared again, is he? Alright. So you've got individual bays that we've created between us. We're working in kind of, well, we're not working in shifts, Alex, are we? We're all just like piling all in, mate, aren't we? And anybody that wanting to have a go is coming over. Say hello. Anybody wanting to have a go is coming over and just getting hands on. And I've really enjoyed it, mate. Have you?
It's been really good.
It's been good, hasn't it?
It's been nice to see people actually keen to have a go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Breaking their arms, they've been coming over and just having a go.
And some people are really taken to it as well. You can see the naturals of it, can't you?
Some people have got a right skill.
Yeah, absolutely, mate. So, wow. Well, Morgan's creating some masterpiece there, look.
Just showing off that he can do it without the sword.
Yeah. I think Morgan's created the best piece of brickwork here today. Morgan, for one day only, you beat Rob Songer, mate. You beat Rob Songer for one day only.
Said that. I'm not fit to tie his shoes.
So you got electrical over here, look. Boys have been coming in and girls learning how to do putting their first fix and stuff in for electrics. What's these guys? So you got the plumbing section over here. Can't see any lead in there, which is disappointing, but you know what plumbers are like. Don't take disrespect, plumbers, but everything's plastic now, isn't it? And then you've got the tiling section over there, which I haven't looked at none of this yet. I'm going to go around and have a little look now. I've got plastering. What else can I see over there in the distance? Roofing. So Will, A&E, the roofer, will probably be over there. We'll go over there and have a word with him now. I think that's everybody that's taking part in the show today. That's us by there, next to D&J projects. I'll be speaking to those guys, Stevie and Dave. Lovely lads, as all the lads are here today. I've had big conversations with them and really nice lads. So what we got going on here? Plastering. Hello lads. Say a big hello.
Hello.
Hey. Tools. Oh, look at that BT saw there. That's amazing, that is, isn't it? Any bricklayer out there looking at that. What an amazing bit of kit that is. When you look and put it into perspective with our Ruby saw, that is that's an absolute beast, that is, isn't it? Really nice. Got a careers hub over here, so that's really good as well. And let's have a look over here. Sorry lads to interrupt you, Will. Just give us a big hello there from Will and the boys. Nice to see you. Super duper. Brilliant, mate.
been an awesome day, hasn't it?
Absolutely brilliant.
It's been a brilliant.
So I managed to get them all together. Dave, you had to go laying a couple of bricks. I cocked up the grab. How did you get on with that brick? Well, you did well on the bricks, mate. What do you reckon, Steve?
To be fair, you'd have a day at D&J any time on that car, mate, but we'll do what you say and we'll just add an extra day onto it.
Yeah. What do you reckon, Steve? Was he any good? Marks out of 10 for Dave? Absolutely spot on.
Just saying that.
There we are. Anyway, lovely to meet you guys at long last. At long last. So we got Rob Songer, the master, Emma and Bronny. And if you've seen Rob Songer's videos, you know how good he is. But Emma and Bronny as well, he brought this to the table today. And look at some of these intricate cuts that you've got from like the old school bricklaying guys, did you say? You impressed with what they do, Rob?
Superb.
Yeah? Are you impressed with what Rob does?
I certainly am.
Absolutely. The pair of you are a privilege to be next to. And I've thoroughly enjoyed the chats with Rob, and I've thoroughly enjoyed you showing me what you've done. So really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Cheers. Right, just pulled up outside the house. I'm absolutely shattered. A fantastic day out down in Warwick. So Tony, if you're listening to this from Building A&E, thank you ever so much, mate, for inviting me for a superb day. Got to meet so many decent and brilliant people at their individual trades, and had a great chat with so many YouTubers that I've built up a bit of a friendship with over the last year or so. So it was an absolutely fantastic day, and what a real pleasure it was to have the young people coming through the door and being able to connect with them, have a chat with their mums and dads, see what they're planning to do with colleges and stuff, and get them to lay a few bricks. So absolutely thoroughly enjoyable day. Great show. So well done to Tony and the lads from Building A&E for making all of us feel so very, very welcome. So we're going to go in. I'm going to have a Roundtree's watermelon ice lolly to celebrate. Might even have a Malibu. Go see my darling wife Lucy. And I think I've killed all the fly species in Great Britain because they're all over the front of my windscreen. So there we are. See you next year. If it's open next year, we'll definitely consider coming down next year. It'd be great to join up and see everybody again. If you haven't been to the show, then it's fantastic because there was like plasterers, all the different trades there. So keep an eye out for it. I'm sure there'll be another one. So look forward to it. See you then. All the best. See you soon.